Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of downloading Garten of Banban 7 on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. The first thing you'll need is Steam installed on your PC. Steam is a huge platform that allows you to browse and download games. If you haven't installed it yet, go to the official Steam website. Click on the Install Steam button in the top right corner and follow the instructions. Once Steam is installed, open it up. If you don't already have an account, click Create a free account. Enter your email and create a strong password. Now that you're logged in, head to the search bar at the top right corner and type Garten of Banban 7. The game will appear in the search results. Click on its title to view the store page for more details. To purchase the game, click the green Add to Cart button. After purchasing the game, go to the Library tab. You'll find Garten of Banban 7 listed there. Click on the game title and press Install. A prompt will ask where to install the game. Select your desired location and click Next. The download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, a Play button will appear. Click it to launch Garten of Banban 7. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye bye.